Good morning. Exercise 15.1. Question number 30. The last question of our exercise. Question number 30 is in question number 1. In question number 1, exercise 14.2. You were asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the blood groups of 30 students of a class. Use this table to determine the probability that a student of this class selected at random has blood group A. Here I write in question 1, exercise 14.2. Find the probability that a student of this class selected at random has blood group A. I write here 30 students blood group. The blood group of 30 students are recorded as follows. In 14.2, question number 1 in your book, the blood groups of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. A, B, O, O. A, B, O, A, O, B, A, O, B, A. O, O, A. A, B, O, A, O, O, A, B, B, A, O, B, A, B, O. Here data is for 30 students blood group. Find probability of that a student of this class selected randomly has blood group AB. We know that there are 4 groups of blood: O, A, B and AB. Here find probability of student selected whose blood group is AB. Here AB is given here. AB. Now here I am here. Total number of students blood group. Total number of students is equal to 30. 3 students having blood group AB. Then required probability is equal to 3 by 30 is equal to 1 by 10. Then we write total number of students is equal to 30. Number of students having blood group AB or AB blood group. Blood group AB equals to how many students? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Then find required probability. Then find probability of students having blood group AB is equals to required probability is equals to 3 by total number of students. We write total number of students is equals to 30 is equal to 1 upon 10. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30 is equal to 1 upon 10. Our textbook exercise is completed. Now, extra sums of this chapter. Number 1. 2 points are tossed simultaneously. Find probability of getting 2 heads, at least 1 head and no head. We toss 2 coins. Coins has 2 sides, head and tail. Then we get 4 events. Suppose we toss 2 coins or 1 coin tossed 2 times, Then we get 4 events. Which are they? HH, HT, TH or TD. Total number of outcomes or events. Total number of trial is equals to outcomes is equals to 4. How many? How 4? HH, you write HH or HT, TH or TD. On both side TD, on one side H, one side T, one side otherwise. On one first point we get T and other point we get H, then it's make TH or both side HH. Therefore, total number of outcomes is equals to 4. Suppose we toss 2 points simultaneously, then we get 4 outcomes, total outcomes. Find probability of getting 2 heads. 2 heads in which there is one event, only one. Outcomes is equals to 1. 2 heads is equals to HH, that is 1 by total number is equals to 4. At least one head. At least one head. Meaning of at least. Meaning of at least, that means not less than 1, but more than 1. 1 or more than 1. At least 1. We have at least 50 rupees. That means I have at least 50. I have 50 rupees is sure. Then more than more than 50 rupees, but not less than 50. Here at least 1, that means 1 or more than 1, but not less than 1. At least 1 head. Here at least 1 head. Here 1 head. And more than 1. Here 1 head. At least 1 head is here. Therefore 3 events. Outcomes is equals to 3. 3 by 4. No head. In this event, there is no head. TT. Both have TT. Therefore 1 by 4. Okay. We solve this question. Total number of outcomes is equals to 4. Which are outcomes? I write here. HH, HT, TH or TT. Number 1. Probability of getting 2 heads is equal to PA. Therefore, PA is equal to number of probability of getting 2 heads. 2 heads is here, only here, 1 outcomes is equal to 1 upon total number of outcomes is equal to 1 by 4. Second number question. At least 1 head. Probability of getting at least 1 head is equals to PB. Therefore, PB is equals to at least 1 head. That means less than 1 is not required. Not we get 1 or more than a head. In this question, in this at least 1 head, here exists 1 head, 1 head. Therefore, at least that means not less than 1. PB is equals to 1, 2 and 3. 3 by 4. Number 3. No head. Probability of getting no head is equal Therefore, TC is equals to no head. No head, that means TT is equals to 1 by 4. Again this question, 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting 2 heads, at least 1 head and no head. Total outcomes is equal 1, 2, 3, 4. I write here 4 outcomes. Which are they? HH, HT, TH and T. First question is 2 heads, getting 2 heads. Therefore here only 1 outcomes. We get 2 heads. Therefore 1 by 4. At least 1 head. At least 1 head. We mean that at least 1, that is not less than 1. Therefore here 1, 2 and 3. But not here as exists. Therefore 3 by 4. No head. In outcomes TT, there is no head. Therefore it is 1 by 4. It is second question of about cards. Extra sums, question number 2. A card is drawn from Wild Shuffle deck of 52 cards. Our game is 52 cards. Find probability of being number 1 a king, 2 a heart, 3 a 7 of heart, 4 a jack, king or a queen, 5th a 2 of heart or a 2 of diamond, 6 number a face card, 7 number a black card, 8 number neither a heart nor a king, and 9 number neither an ace nor a king. We find 9 probabilities of this event. We have given 52 cards. Deck of 52 cards. You know 52 cards. There is 50 total cards, 52. Then 26 cards are black, 26 are red and 26 are black. Color in black. We know color in 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. Which are red cards? Then 13 are 13 and 13. 13 are diamond and 13 are heart. Diamond. It is sign is like this. 13 cards of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, that means jack, queen and king. There are 13 cards of diamond, 13 cards of heart. It's called heart. Now 26. In these 26 cards, 13 are club and 13 are spade. Which are club? Which sign? What is sign? You know in this 52 cards, deck of cards, these types of cards called club card. And spade. It is like this. Okay. In 52 cards, the number, there are 13, 13, 13, 13. 4 types of flavor card. Heart, diamond, club and spade. Each have 13 cards. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, queen and king. Jack, king and queen are picture cards in all flavor: diamond, heart, clock, and spade. 4 1 that means ace. 1 that means ace. ACE. We say that it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, queen, and king. 4 king, 4 queen, 4 jack. Therefore 12 picture cards. How many ace? 4 ace. How many 2? 4 2. How many 7? 4 7. How many 10? 4 10. Okay. Here are 52 cards. Probability of being a king. How many kings are there? Here in diamond king, heart king, clock king, and spade. 4 kings. Then we write total number of cards is equals to 52. A king. Probability of a king is equals to number 1. Probability of a king equals to number of king. How many? 4 king. Therefore 4 upon 52 is equals to 4 1s are 4, 13 4s are 52. A king 4 by 52. Second number, a heart. How many cards of heart? We choose randomly one card. All are likely event, same event. Therefore, heart are 13 cards. Then, probability of a heart is equal to 13 by 52, 1 by 4. Here 1 by 13, here 1 by 4. Number 3. All flavors for heart 13 cards, diamond 13, clock 13, and spade 13. A 7 of heart. How many 7? 4 7. Each are heart, diamond, clock, and spade. Heart of 7 of heart, 7 of diamond, 7 of clock, and 7 of spade. There is one heart, 7 of heart. Probability of a 7 of heart is equal to 1 upon total cards, 1 by 52. Number 4. A jack, king, or a king, queen. How many jack? 4 jack, 4 king, and 4 queen. Total 12 numbers. Therefore, probability of a jack, a king, or a queen is equal to jack is equal to 4, king is equal to 4, queen is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to upon 52, 12 by 52, 3 4s are 13 4s are 3 by 30. Okay. Number 5. A 2 of heart or a 2 of diamond. Probability of are 2 of heart or are 2 of diamond equals to how many 2 of heart? 1. And how many 2 of diamond is equals to 1? Therefore 1 plus 1 upon 52, 2 by 52, 1 by 26. 1 by 26. 2 of heart is 1 and 2 of diamond is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Total 2 upon 52 is equal to 1 by 26. Otherwise, the equation is like this. Probability of find red color 2. Then it is heart and diamond. Or black color 2. Therefore, it is spade and clock. 2 by 52 is equal to 1 by 26. Number 6. A face card. Probability of a face card. How many face cards? How many picture cards? Picture cards also says face cards. J, 4J, 4 queen and 4 king we know here. Therefore 12 by 52 is equal to 12 by 52 is equal to 3 by 30. 3 by 30. Number 7. A black card. Probability of a black card. How many black card? Here black card. How many? 26. 13 are clock and 13 are spade. Therefore 26 are black card. Therefore probability of a black card is equal to 26 by 52. 26 1s are 26 2s are 1 by 2. Question number 8. Neither a heart nor a king. Neither heart. How many heart? How many cards of heart? 13 cards. And nor a king. These cards are removed from 52 cards. 13 cards of heart and 4 king. But heart king is included in these 13 cards. Therefore, remaining 3 kings are 3 kings. Diamond, clock and spade. 13 plus 63 is equal to 16 cards removed from 52 cards. Neither. Here we say probability of neither a king nor a heart. Neither a king or nor a heart. Therefore, 16 cards are removed. 52 minus 16 is equal to 36. 36 by 52. Probability of neither a king a heart nor a king is equal to neither a king nor a king is equal to heart. How many cards of heart? 13. Nor a king. How many kings? 4 king. Then 1 king is included in this heart. Minus 1 heart king. Here I write for your understanding. Which minus 1? is total hard card. Included in this card, hard pin. 4 cards. Here I write 13 plus 3, then exactly I get 16 cards. Otherwise you write here. This is not right, then you write 13 plus 3. Why? Because one king is included in this hard king. Remaining club, diamond and spade is equals to. Remove 30 plus 3. Remove from 52 cards. Neither that want if these cards are removed. Therefore 52 minus 16 is equals to 36 upon 52 equals to 36 upon 50 is 2. 9 fours are 13 fours are 9 by 30. And last 9 number. Neither an ace nor a king. How? Neither, that means these cards are removed from 52 cards. Neither an ace. How many ace? 4 ace. Diamond, heart, spade and club. 4 ace and a king. 4 king. 4 and 4. How many cards are removed? 8 cards removed from 52 cards. Therefore 44 cards. Remaining cards are 44 cards. Probability of neither an ace. Neither, that means remove from all. Neither an ace nor a king is equals to neither, that means 52 minus an ace. How many? 4. And king nor a king, 4 upon 52 equals to 52 minus 8 upon 52 equals to 44 upon 52. 11 fours are 13 fours are. This is our standard 10th question. Probability. But here you have given small, how many, not 9 events, given 3 events, 4 events, then you find like this. First, you know 52 cards, deck of 52 cards, there is 26 black and 26 red color. In red color, 13 cards are diamond and 13 cards are heart. In black color, 13 are club and 13 are spade. In 52 cards, 4 jack, 4 queen and 4 king. Total 12 picture cards, 12 face cards. And ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are 4, 4, 4. Therefore 13 fours are 52. Here our question is completed. Now extra sum number 2 completed.